Hi guys, I'm so happy to have you here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And if you have, I really appreciate you helping me and showing me some love. This week's DIY, it was mainly to give you guys some tips on how to decorate a floating shelf in your kitchen, which I've been meaning to do for so long. But because we do live in a rental, I didn't want to add anything on the walls. But I just can't resist a DIY. So I'm showing you guys how to put on a shelf, a floating shelf, on the wall if you live on a place, a house, an apartment that has drywall. And sometimes, most of the times actually, you can't really find the wood structure to place whatever you want. So I'm showing you guys how to do it if you don't have the wood piece and if you would like to add that floating shelf. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you do so, don't forget to give me a like on this video. I really appreciate it. So stay tuned for the next week's video, but meanwhile enjoy this one. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.